Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of WordPress e-commerce. You're in the right place if you're looking for a lightweight WooCommerce alternative that lets you sell digital products and services and even set up subscriptions. The best thing is you can customize the checkout page. We'll walk through the step-by-step installation and setup of this amazing plugin. Perfect for anyone looking to sell digital products online or even explore digital dropshipping. Step number 1. Installation. Let's start by installing our WooCommerce alternative. Head to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Add New. Search for SureCart, install, and activate. When you activate it, you will see a new navigation link at the left side menu bar. Click on it and you will be redirected to a simple setup wizard. You can set up your store and select the store color and currency. In this window, you have to choose to import demo products or start afresh. I am going to start this as a fresh one. Next, enter your email address. That's it, no complicated setup like some other e-commerce WordPress solutions. Step number 2. Setting up plugin. Let's dive deep into the SureCart plugin. When you go to the store settings, you will be able to customize store basic details, email settings, and contact information. In the design and branding, we can customize store color, logo, theme, and cart. This plugin has a built-in abandoned cart feature that recovers your sales. No need for any third-party plugin to install. You have a notification tab where you can customize all the notifications and the email templates that customers receive. Here you have an interesting tab called Subscriptions. If you wish to publish online services or subscriptions, you can set it up here. You won't get this feature with WooCommerce. You can set up everything here like downgrade, upgrade, and cancellation settings of the subscription plans. The next amazing feature of SureCart is the inbuilt affiliate program. You can create affiliate links for your products and services. You can offer a percentage of sale value to people who are promoting these affiliate products. You have a full affiliate dashboard here with user account settings, tracking, and setup commission rates. You can set up tax and shipping plans also for your physical and dropshipping products. Step number 3. Payment gateway setup. A smooth checkout process is crucial for any e-commerce WordPress site. Let's set up our payment gateway. Go to the Payment Processors tab. You can see it supports multiple payment options including popular Stripe and PayPal. Alternatively, you can set up manual payment options like local bank transfer. Choose and configure your preferred gateway. Click on the selected item, then you will be redirected to the SureCart website. You have to create an account on SureCart to connect Payment Gateway. When you create an account, you will redirect back to your website. You can go again to the payment section and connect your payment gateway. I am going to connect PayPal on my site. By default, the payment gateway on test mode, so you have to disable it and add your live payment gateway. When you add the payment processing partner, you will be redirected to their website for the authentication process. Okay, now I am fully authenticated to receive payment through PayPal. Step number 4. Add first digital products. Now let's set up our first digital product. This process is crucial for anyone wondering how to sell a digital product and online services effectively. Click on Products in your dashboard and enter the product title. Here you can upload your digital file, set pricing, add product descriptions optimized for SEO, and choose delivery methods. This is one of the interesting features. In the pricing section, you can set customers can add any amount they like to pay. This option can be used to get donations on your website. If you are creating a website for clarity and fundraising, this is a better option for you. This plugin has more advanced features in listing like product variation, product integration, inventory tracking, and licensing digital assets. Now, I am going to list a service as a digital product. This service includes 3 plans, so buyers can choose a service to buy. Step number 5, create custom product pages. If you decide to create a custom product page and add a payment option on the customized page, SureCart gives you direct URLs for each variation, so you can add them separately on your customized product page. I already created a WordPress page for this service, so I am going to add a direct payment link for each of the plans, then buyers can purchase the service directly without going through the traditional add to cart and checkout method. Okay, this is working perfectly. There is a small issue. We have to customize the checkout page that suits online service. Step number 6, customize checkout page. Now let's optimize our checkout page. A streamlined checkout can significantly boost your sales. Go to the custom form section of SureCart. Here you can add a form to customize. I already added a page, so I am going to edit it. I want the customer contact number when they buy the service. I can add a custom field here as a block. How simple is this? You can customize this as you want. You can also customize the Shop page product grid. Simply navigate to the Shop tab in SureCart. Step number 7, test the checkout process. With this setup, you're ready to start selling digital products online securely and efficiently. You can see now we have a fully customized e-commerce function on our website. And there you have it. You've just set up a powerful WooCommerce alternative that's perfect for selling digital products, services, and subscriptions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with any questions about WordPress e-commerce or digital product management. Happy selling!